Hey, doing Stefan from Blue Bayou, and well, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the joy of owning a campground. So I know it's been raining for the past 4 or 5 days, and that's probably why I didn't film anything. Because when it rains and rains and rains, there's always something to do. So, mine, like for an example, I had the cozy shack almost ready to rent, and it's just a few little things, maybe a couple hours and an hour of work left to do on it. But it wasn't rented, so but somebody came up and figured that the cozy shack would be a little bit more cozy while it's raining, just because it's got an outside porch and all that. So I ended up last night, they wanted to switch to the cozy shack. So I ended up getting her ready in a span of an hour or something like that, an hour and a half at the most. Hot water was not set up yet. I set that up. The bunk bed didn't have the top railing, and that's all done now. Well, woke up this morning and it's been a little bit windy, but the dock is pretty much underwater right now, but she's still there. I'll show you. This I can't do nothing. Just gotta wait till it goes down. But yesterday I had to pull a bunch of boats that were too close to the shore, and the wave kind of put a lot of water in it. Now it went down a little bit. This morning she was underwater. There you go. All of it was underwater. Can't even go on it right now without running and jumping. But still in place. Pretty. I don't even think she's moving. You can see all the water hitting it and all that. The pole are just stable. Surprisingly, this dock is really stable. That's the other dock. That one is a little higher, but I can raise this one because I can set it up. I just gotta lift it up a little bit more and screw it a little higher. She's not floating. She's still sitting on the ground. Yeah, a lot of water yesterday. That's we fixed it up this spring. It's solid. Shouldn't be going anywhere. Again, he's still going to be working on the porch here. At one point, got some material for it. Not all of it. Got to order some more. This one, I have the mill. I got my blades, by the way. Got my sawmill blades. It's just been raining so much that I haven't been able to saw a few logs, but saw some logs soon enough. Maybe next video. I'm thinking tomorrow I'll be sawing a bunch of logs tomorrow. I'll show you all of that stuff tomorrow, the blades and all that. So what I'm kind of doing right now is when it rains a lot, it creates some potholes and stuff like that. So I'm using my tractor and just using the box at the back of it. Using this guy. So I put these things here are usually they go underneath, and that's to when you don't need those when you're just running the driveway. That's more like when you got new dirt or stuff like that. So that's why they're upside down right now. Got to pull the pin, take it off, and put it underneath the other way around. But they're upside down because they're not in use at the moment. And then while I'm doing this, I'm going to pick up some of the logs from that area that has been cutting trees on the top. And funny enough, I saw a few things. This is somebody that went to get one of my logs that's supposed to come to be firewood and try to make firewood out of it. Like, I do not mind if you take like some kindling and all that and just clean up some areas in the wood, but if it looks like this, or like this guy, that means it's gonna come in this pile, getting cut up and then getting used as real firewood, not like the way it is. So please leave those ones here if you ever come here. You can take branches and all that, but stuff like this, just leave those alone if you come here. They're in a pile somewhere because they're meant to be picked up. All right, so we'll go for a little ride up there, get more logs, and I'll show you how that grater box works. It's a 7-foot one. Don't know if you'll be able to see it okay with it, but we'll see if we can do something with it. There. I figure I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. While I come up here, I just back drag and I grab these logs. I go back down there. If I have to drag a little bit more, I do it. And then doing a few passes. The road looks nice. Like I said, just stuff that we do here at the campground. So I'm gonna load up the forks. Piece of birch here. Now the reason I cut a bunch of trees here is because the dirt is beautiful here. It's nice, really nice dirt. It's good for lawn and stuff like that. So pretty much what I'm gonna do. At one point, I'm just gonna back up my trailer and load it with this dirt and then go pile it somewhere so that when I need this kind of dirt, I have some. But at the same time, once I remove most of the dirt around here, I should be very close to some gravel underneath. I still got a few trees to cut around here. Like that one right there, that's a maple. And all these little trees, just clean that up. And it's gonna make a nice little road here to come to the cozy shack. Like I said yesterday night, I came back in here on somebody staying in here tonight. But I figured I'd clean up all these logs. And once that's done, I take the excavator and clean this area anyway. This area right here. So I can set up the fire pit. It was raining like crazy last night, so it didn't really matter. But today, when they come later on, and if they want to enjoy a campfire, I want at least to have that ready. And it's not so muddy or anything like that. So I'm gonna just make a nice spot right here for a campfire. You can sit down and enjoy some marshmallows. But yeah, they decided to switch to this guy just because it was raining. And because outside we have a nice porch, so when it rains, you can still be outside, no problem. So that's my job right now. I'll be driving the tractor up here, grabbing these, cleaning this area. Once this is all done, geez, I guess I'm gonna go get my chainsaw. Stuff are too long. This one here is too long. Yeah, grab the chainsaw, I guess, first. And clean that area for tonight. So that's my afternoon job. I think I have some other stuff to do. I gotta maybe set up the mill for tomorrow. I put a new blade in. I can start doing some wood. Yeah, no, that's stuff we do at the campground right now. So I'll let you go right here. And if you like this content, just please give me one of these guys. Give me a like and subscribe so you can see what we're doing here at Blue Bayou Resort. See how a campground grows in time. Because I got years of this, so you're not gonna miss me. So yeah. So until next time, Stefan at Blue Bayou. Have a good one.